for your TUFF Strike purchase. In this video, we will be teaching you how to install TUFF Strike on your door. The tools needed for installation are a cordless drill, a 1/2-inch drill bit, an 1/8-inch drill bit, box cutter or scissors, a hammer, a chisel, and an ice pick. Begin by removing the TUFF Strike from the package. Set the TUFF Strike and the mounting screws to the side. Flip the cardboard over and locate the easy installation template located on the back of the package. Carefully cut the template out using a box cutter or scissors. Next, place the template on the door jamb over your existing strike with the circle on the template directly over the center hole of the existing strike. Be sure to line the template up with the post holes towards the door stop. Mark your mounting screw holes and post holes with the ice pick. Next, remove the old strike plate and using your 1/8-inch drill bit, drill your mounting holes. Now, with your 1/2-inch drill bit, drill the post holes. Be careful to drill your post holes straight. Next, insert the TUFF Strike and secure it to the frame with the mounting screws. Take your hammer and chisel and gently mark the complete outline of the TUFF Strike. Now remove the mounting screws and the TUFF Strike and chisel out the wood inside the outline. The TUFF Strike must fit flush in the frame. Next, reinsert the TUFF Strike and secure it with the mounting screws. Close the door and make sure the deadbolt throws smoothly into the pocket of